Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away.
Sometimes I wanna run away, 'cause I can see it from me, but you never know, never know it.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have a quick, simple install. There's really not much to it because the wig is so beautiful. It literally made my job effortless and super easy.
I'm feeling something for you, baby, it's getting stronger.
Today's hair sponsor is Aliunicehair. So Ali meaning Aliexpress. It's been a minute since we've reviewed an Aliexpress wig. I've worked with Unicehair so many times, guys. I don't even know how many collaborations I've had with them, a lot. I'll link some of my favorite wigs from them in the description box for you if you want to check it out. What I have installed today is a 22-inch 5x5 HD closure wig. This is in the body wave texture. And guys, when I tell you this wig is glueless and ready to wear, they weren't kidding.
But you never know, never know it. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I really like you, don't you notice? I don't wanna know why, 'cause I really need you, baby, love me. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I really like you, don't you notice? I don't wanna know when. Sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for how you, sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for how
Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away.
So what I really like about this wig is it really does look really nice and ready to wear. I'm gonna adjust the strap. Actually don't need to melt this wig down. It fits very well glueless. The hair on this wig feels very high quality, very silky.
Sometimes I wanna run away, 'cause I can see it from me, but you never know, never know it. I'm feeling something for you, baby, it's getting stronger, but you never know.
So I'm gonna come back when I have a little bit more curls, but this is what the curls look like that I'm recurling.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. 'Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. 'Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? 'Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how
We're almost there, you guys.
no more time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know it's dangerous how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, with me, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. 'Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. 'Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, 'cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, let me get to your clean and proper. Where I'm moving,
So this wig curls very easily, which I really like. So I'm not recurling it because it's stubborn. I'm just recurling it because I want it to lay perfectly. I really like this wig. I think it is very pretty, very lightweight, comfortable. For that traditional wig cap, you know, the old school method of cap, it fits perfectly. You can see that it looks like it's secured down, and yeah, it's very undetectable. The hair is very silky smooth. For an AliExpress store, okay, sister. This wig is actually taking me back to when I used to shop on AliExpress, because I love AliExpress, and it's good that I get to try wigs from there every now and again because it's been so long. But this wig, definitely 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. This is cute for your busy moms. If you just want to look natural, you know, your natural girl vibe, this is it. Like, the shorter wigs is definitely making a comeback. A lot of girlies like the shorter lengths, and for me, I think it's very pretty. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you like this video, give me 2 thumbs up, and of course, if you want to find this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you, so check that out before you go. Those are all my thoughts on this wig. Beautiful, 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Bye guys.